Across the vast tapestry of history, certain figures emerge who forever alter our view of the cosmos. Gan Gong, an ancient Chinese astronomer and astrologer, stands among these influential minds. Living in the 4th century BC, his pioneering observations created one of the earliest known star catalogues that bore his name. In a time when the night sky served as both a mystery and a guidebook, Gan Gong meticulously recorded the patterns of stars and the movements of planets. His work, although now lost in its entirety, has been preserved in fragments and through later writings, offering us rare insight into a world where science and wonder intertwined. Born in the ancient state of Qi during the era of the Warring States, Gan Gong's life was devoted to understanding the heavens. His careful observations not only mapped celestial bodies, but also captured the essence of humanity's enduring curiosity about the universe. As we explore his legacy, we traverse a narrative rich with discovery and determination. This journey reveals how one man's dedication bridged the ancient with the modern, influencing generations of astronomers. With each recorded observation, Gan Gong unlocked secrets of the cosmos, inviting future scholars to view the night sky with both reverence and scientific inquiry. Today, his work inspires us to look upward and marvel at the vast celestial expanse, forever united by the human desire to uncover the mysteries written in the stars. Embracing ancient tradition and modern wonder, our story of Gan Gong continues to inspire. In the ancient world, the art and science of astronomy blossomed amid cultural and political upheaval, and nowhere was this more evident than in ancient China. During the Warring States period, a time of intense rivalry and intellectual ferment, scholars looked to the stars not merely for navigation, but also to divine the fate of kingdoms. The state of Qi, Gan Gong's homeland, was a vibrant hub of knowledge and inquiry. In this rich environment, the night sky served as both a cosmic map and a source of mystic symbolism, inspiring astronomers to record celestial events with an unmatched blend of precision and wonder. Ancient Chinese researchers, unlike their contemporaries in distant Babylon, were driven by a need to understand the harmony between heaven and earth. Their observations extended beyond the simple tracking of stars. They sought to discern intricate patterns in the movement of planets and to relate these motions to the cycles of human life. It was during this era that detailed astronomical treatises began to appear, each meticulously describing the movements of celestial bodies, from the glittering constellations to the wandering planets. Chinese methodologies merged natural philosophy with practical applications. This integration allowed early astronomers to predict seasonal changes, guide agricultural planning, and even advise rulers on major decisions. Their record-keeping and mathematical calculations were innovative, distinguishing Chinese astronomy from other ancient traditions. For instance, while Babylonians divided the sky into 360 degrees, Chinese scholars introduced a system that divided the celestial circle into 365 quarter parts, mirroring the tropical year's duration. Through this lens, the cultural and scientific landscape of ancient China comes alive. The legacy of Gan Gong and his peers is enshrined in both recorded history and the enduring tradition of celestial observation. Their work, a harmonious blend of art, science, and intuition, continues to captivate modern minds, offering timeless insights into the mysteries of the universe. This vibrant historical context not only sets the stage for Gan Gong's achievements, but reminds us that the pursuit of celestial knowledge is as ancient as civilization. Ancient China's spirit continues to resonate in every truly significant scientific discovery. Gan Gong emerges from the mists of antiquity as a figure of remarkable insight and perseverance. Born in the state of Qi during one of the most turbulent periods in Chinese history, his life was intertwined with a shifting political landscape and deep cultural ferment. With few resources but great determination, Gan Gong dedicated himself to understanding the heavens. Night after night, beneath a tapestry of stars, he observed the celestial sphere, recording the positions of constellations, planets, and occasional mysterious lights. His determination led him to create detailed records that have survived only in fragments and later quotations, testifying to his commitment and keen observational skills. The persona of Gan Gong is marked by a blend of scientific precision and poetic wonder. He did not observe the sky merely to compile numerical data, but to capture the rhythm and beauty of the cosmic dance. Each observation was a window into the mysteries of nature, revealing an intricate interplay between heaven and earth that spoke to both logic and emotion. His work, though much lost over time, continues to invite modern scholars to marvel at the fusion of art and science. Throughout a challenging era defined by conflict and uncertainty, Gan's passion for the stars shone brightly. His tireless efforts, carried out alongside contemporaries like Shi Shen, laid the groundwork for a tradition of astronomical inquiry that would influence future generations. Even the scant fragments that remain evoke a man who was not only an astronomer, but also a thoughtful storyteller, whose recordings were imbued with a sense of wonder about the universe. Gan's legacy is a timeless reminder of the power of observation and the enduring human quest for knowledge. His remarkable journey, etched among the stars, inspires countless hearts to pursue the mysteries of the cosmos. Gan's contributions to astronomy stand as a monumental achievement in the history of scientific thought. Among his most significant accomplishments was the compilation of an early star catalogue, whose influence would ripple through the annals of time. In a period when detailed celestial recordings were rare, Gan's methodical approach enabled him to map the heavens with an accuracy that has long been admired by both Eastern and Western scholars. His work captured not only the positions of fixed stars, but also the intricate dance of planets across the night sky, placing him among the pioneers of observational astronomy. In his attempts to describe the cosmos, Gan devised innovative techniques that reflected a deep understanding of the relationships between celestial phenomena. Notably, he and his contemporary, Shi Shen, divided the celestial sphere into 355-quarter parts, a system that intriguingly paralleled the length of the tropical year. This method contrasted sharply with the Babylonian tradition, which allocated 360 degrees to the circle of the heavens. By aligning astronomical measurements with the natural cycle of the seasons, Gan introduced a sophisticated level of precision that underscored his commitment to scientific inquiry. His treatises, including titles such as the Treatise on Jupiter and the Astronomical Star Prognostication, although lost in their complete form, are known to have contained detailed accounts of planetary motions and stellar positions. Gan's observations of Jupiter, in particular, demonstrate his ability to notice subtle nuances in brightness and movement that would later become central to modern astronomical analysis. These recordings provided a valuable foundation for subsequent developments in astronomy, influencing later scholars who built upon his methods to further our understanding of the universe. Through his diligent work, Gan not only recorded celestial events, but also established a framework that connected empirical observation with mathematical analysis. His contributions laid the groundwork for the evolution of astronomical catalogues, bridging ancient practices with emerging scientific principles. The legacy of his detailed and systematic methodology continues to echo in the discipline, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is both an art and a science. Each carefully recorded observation and every nuanced calculation by Gan has contributed immeasurably to our understanding of the cosmos, serving as a timeless reminder of the power of human curiosity and the relentless spirit of discovery that continues to propel scientific advancement forward. This gift continues to inspire many future scholars. Among the most fascinating aspects of Gan's astronomical legacy is his detailed observation of Jupiter. In one remarkable entry, he recorded an account of a small reddish star accompanying the great planet. This observation, initially shrouded in mystery, has since captivated modern astronomers and historians alike, leading to lively debates about its true nature. The description is particularly striking because it suggests that, under exceptional conditions, a natural satellite of Jupiter may have been visible to the unaided human eye. Gan's record of Jupiter's journey through the sky exemplifies his acute attention to detail and his willingness to challenge established perceptions of the cosmos. The observation was later scrutinized by scholars such as Shi Shen in the 20th century, who argued that the small reddish star was a representation of one of Jupiter's Galilean moons, most likely Ganymede. Ganymede, larger and brighter than its counterpart Callisto, was deemed the more plausible candidate based on its visual prominence. This reinterpretation not only underscores Ganday's ingenuity, but also demonstrates how ancient observations can intersect with modern scientific inquiry. The narrative of this observation unfolds as a blend of historical record and contemporary analysis, bridging time with a shared sense of wonder. While Ganday's writing does not include explicit technical explanations for the observed phenomenon, it leaves enough clues for current experts to simulate the conditions of the night sky using modern instruments such as computer-aided planetariums. These simulations have confirmed that, during periods of optimal visibility, the celestial conditions could indeed allow for the naked eye detection of Jupiter's satellites, a fact that challenges assumptions about the limits of ancient observational astronomy. Ganday's meticulous descriptions resonate through the ages, reminding us that even without telescopic aids, ancient scholars engaged deeply with the mechanics of the heavens. His work invites us to reconsider the capabilities of early astronomers, connecting their legacy to the ever-evolving field of modern astronomy. In doing so, his observation of Jupiter and its subtle reddish satellite continues to illuminate the enduring human quest to chart the unknown. By carefully merging ancient observations with contemporary technology, researchers honor Ganday's legacy, recognizing that each recorded wonder deepens our connection to the cosmos and reminds us of the timeless bond between human curiosity and the mysteries of space. This additional insight enriches our understanding while continuing the dialogue between past and present in astronomical exploration, indeed profoundly. In a quiet, moonlit observatory set against the rugged terrain of ancient Qi, Ganday stands with quiet resolve under a sky draped in shimmering constellations. The cool night air carries whispers of the past as he attentively scans the heavens, his gaze fixed upon the majestic glow of Jupiter. In that moment, time seems to slow, and the intricate dance of celestial bodies unfolds before his eyes. The observatory, modest and unadorned, becomes a sacred chamber, where the secrets of the universe are revealed one by one. As Ganday meticulously records the positions of stars and planets, his senses are heightened by the profound silence of the night. Every detail is etched into his memory and later inscribed onto fragile scrolls. Among these observations, the appearance of a small reddish star near Jupiter captivates his attention, hinting at a hidden celestial companion. Although the setting is devoid of modern instruments, the clarity of the night sky and the brilliance of Jupiter create an almost magical scene, inviting him to question the limits of human observation. The ancient scholar's dedication is palpable, his entire being absorbed in the wonder of the cosmos. In a parallel leap of time, modern experts such as Shi Shen stand in simulated recreations at a Beijing planetarium, mirroring Ganday's historical observation through digital skies and advanced imaging. This reenactment, though vastly different in technology, captures the same spirit of curiosity and discovery. It is a powerful reminder that the quest to understand the universe transcends epochs, connecting the humble observer in ancient Qi to today's cutting-edge astronomers. In this dramatic reenactment, the narrative of a single observation transforms into a timeless dialogue between the past and the present, illuminating the enduring human passion for exploring the heavens. The night remains a silent witness to discovery eternally. Ganday's work has left an indelible mark on the history of astronomy, influencing both ancient traditions and modern scientific thought. The careful observations he made under open skies have not only provided valuable records of celestial events, but have also inspired generations of astronomers to look at the heavens with renewed wonder. His pioneering spirit is evident in the systematic approach he applied to the study of stars and planets, an approach that bridged intuition with early forms of mathematical analysis. The fragments of Ganday's lost writings, preserved in later texts and compilations, have served as a vital link between the conventions of ancient Chinese astronomy and later Western methodologies. Scholars have revisited his detailed accounts, appreciating his innovative methods, such as dividing the celestial sphere in alignment with the tropical year. This progress in understanding time and space paved the way for a more refined measurement of the cosmos that eventually influenced astronomers like Hipparchus and even Galileo centuries later. In re-examining Ganday's legacy, Modern astronomy recognizes the value of integrating historical insight with contemporary discoveries. His practice of meticulous recording, driven by an unwavering curiosity about the natural world, continues to resonate with today's scientists. It reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge is a timeless endeavor, a continuous dialogue between the past and present. Each observation, no matter how ancient, holds lessons that shape future explorations, urging us to refine our techniques and expand our horizons. Gan's contributions thus remain a beacon of intellectual prowess, illuminating the path for all who gaze upward in search of cosmic truths. His legacy continues to inspire a new generation of thinkers who explore the universe, forging connections between ancient wisdom and modern discovery. Their passion for stars fuels ongoing research and invites dialogue across cultures and eras. Reflecting on the life and work of Gan, we are reminded of the transformative power of human curiosity when it meets the boundless mysteries of the sky. His detailed observations and innovative methods not only advanced early astronomy, but also left an enduring legacy that continues to influence modern scientific inquiry. Despite the loss of his original writings, the fragments that remain provide an invaluable connection to a time when the cosmos was both a source of ancient wisdom and a challenge to be unraveled. As we trace Gan's journey, from his humble beginnings in the state of Qi through nights spent observing the heavens, to the modern reinterpretations of his work, one truth shines clear. The quest for knowledge is a timeless voyage. Every careful record, every measured observation, and every spark of wonder contributes to a larger narrative that binds the past with the present. His pioneering spirit lives on in the minds of those who continue to look upward, seeking answers among the stars. This narrative is not merely about scientific achievement. It is a celebration of the human spirit, a testament to our unyielding desire to understand, explore, and create meaning out of the universe's vast expanse. Let Gan's enduring legacy inspire all who dream of discovery, to persist in the face of mystery, and to appreciate the beauty that lies hidden in the night sky. May the legacy of Gan forever remind us that the pursuit of cosmic understanding is an endless, shared journey.